When I first started the rust repair process, it felt like I was on level 1 of Michael's DIY school of rust repair and various other old truck modifications. Michael's basically on level 10. And at this point, I've put in about 40 hours of work repairing the rust on the frame of the 350. So hopefully I'm leveling up. Here's a quick glimpse into our process and what we've completed so far. These are basically the tools Michael gave me to get started. Some wire wheels for our impact driver, wire brushes, and most importantly these dental picks, which turned out to be an instant favorite.
These are high quality dental sticks, and they're not even dental sticks. I would never stick this in my mouth.
This is what we started with. The truck has lived in the Northeast for 18 years, resulting in considerable rust on the frame due to humidity, rain, snow, and salt on the roads. When we took the bed of the truck off, we were able to see the full extent of the rust, and luckily only found a few small holes on a frame support. It did appear that at some point, a rubberized rust preventive compound was used on areas of the frame, but that was dry and flaking off.
A few moments later.
Oh my god, it's so nice to see the freshly painted
Diff.
looking pretty good. Meticulously crafted. I think I speak for all of us when I say we'd like to graduate you to level 2, Sydney.
And that's just the back of the truck. We still have the front half of the truck to go before we can close our chapter on rust repair.